This is Excel Chapter 3, Part 2 of the video. Okay, so in the last video we just did type all of our expenses. We want these same expenses listed up here at the top of our page, but instead of typing them, we're just going to copy and paste. So if you would, just select A16 through 820. We can right-click, or however you normally copy, do copy, come up to cell A2, and then we're going to paste. Now whenever you get all these different paste options, we're just going to choose the first one, which is the normal paste. Okay, we skipped a line up here, A1. We want to type what if assumptions. So now we have the what if assumptions and we have the different expenses listed. Okay, now that we've got all of our expenses, there were some other lines that we actually wanted to insert in here, so we're going to insert a new row. So to insert a new row, we want to insert a new row above where it says marketing. So if you will put your mouse on the number 4 on the row heading and right click, and then just go down to insert. It will put a row above marketing. In this row, we want to type margin. As I was typing that, did you notice that it thinks maybe I want to type the word marketing? So Excel's really good if you're typing the same words over and over, like in a list of names or something, that it can go ahead and auto-complete those for you. We're not wanting to do that, so we'll go ahead and type margin. Okay, the next place we want a new row is above support, general, and administrative. So we're going to right-click on the number 7 header and do insert. And in this new blank row, we're going to type sales revenue for bonus. All right. We now have our worksheet headings all typed in. We're ready to work on our what if assumptions. Now the what if assumptions basically says, if this happens, what could change? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enter our numbers already formatted. So normally whenever you enter something, you have to come up here and reformat it. So in cell B2, which is the bonus category, we're going to type 200, comma, 000.00. That should automatically format this so that it leaves the comma and the decimal places in there. If it does not, then you'll have to come up here and click on the correct formatting. For commission, this is going to be a percent, so we're going to type 5.75 and then add the percent sign. Press enter. It left it there. If it put this as a regular number, you're going to have to press percent, but then you may have to increase or decrease your decimal, and you may have to retype it because once it changed it to a percent, it may have changed where it put the decimal place. Okay, for the margin, we want 57.50%. Marketing is going to be 15.00%. In the next one, for research and development, we're going to have 7.50%. Sales revenue will be 3,500, 000.00. And for support and general and administrative, it is going to be 18.75%. Okay, if those did not format properly, go ahead and come up here and use your formatting tools and may have to increase, decrease decimals, and you may actually have to type in your numbers again. And we're going to go ahead and stop part 2 there. You might want to hit save just so you don't lose anything.